So what's up, everybody? This is Justin from GPE. I'm checking in again with another product review from Yita Motor. So this time it's their 7-inch spotlight light bars. These are actually going to go on the MR2 in the fog light position. They're going to go on there for off-road only, of course, because spotlights are crazy bright. You want to use these if you're like out in the country. You don't want to use these if you're in like cross traffic or anything like that. Okay? So let me go ahead and open them up and we'll see what we got here. Here we go. These look awesome. So these here, as you can see, they have 12 LEDs. Once again, these are for spot beams. Typical Yita Motor quality. Aluminum build. Has an adjustment bolt here on the back. So you can put these in almost any position. Takes a simple positive and negative wire, 12 volt. Didn't focus, but it's all good. And then it comes with this mounting hardware. So let's see what we have here in the mounting hardware. So you have this piece here, which simply fits on the back like so. And then you put a bolt here, which is also included. And then that way gives you adjustability. And then you also have adjustability here for up and down. So, and then here, a bolt goes through here so that you can attach this to the chassis or whatever mounting plate that you choose to use. So pretty cool, pretty straightforward. If you've watched the Supra review for the light bar, you'll see that this is very similar to the one that I use on the Supra drift car. So you already know what to expect. Excellent quality. So this actually comes in a 4-pack, which is really awesome. So I have 4 of these, and I've already installed 2 of them on the MR2. So let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like on the MR2. Okay, so the verdict is that these lights are a definite buy. Super awesome, look great, put out a ton of light. Remember, once again, these are for off-road use only. Don't get caught with these on the street. Not responsible if you do use these on the street, because we want to make sure that we're courteous drivers and we don't blind other people. However, if you're doing any type of off-roading or any country driving, which I frequently run through canyons, these lights are awesome, and so I highly recommend them. Once again, they're from Yita Motor. They're 12 LEDs, it's a spot beam, looks great. You'll be able to see everything on the road or everything on the track, and can't recommend them enough. They come in a 4-pack, I have the 4-pack, and I love them, okay? So that's just a quick review. Once again, look forward to Prime Day. It's coming very soon, and they're gonna have 20% off on their site on Amazon, so check them out. Thanks for watching this really quick review, and we'll catch you in the next video. But until next time, GoPro everything. Peace.